Hello guys, today we talk about div tag, what are a div tag and how we use this. So, so basically a div is a division tag, and when we are divide content in a different level, different block, so then we use the div tag. And most of the cases in our company, we are using the uh, div tag because we are making the responsive website, so we have to work on the particular section. Okay, so by using div tag we can do this. So let's get started. So let's see this. So simply you have to go here, and these are some point you can read. Okay, so this is the basic HTML uh, code, and after this you have to simple go to div tag, and inside this you have to use div, and suppose that I'm using here home and div. Okay, take care about the website. Okay, so basically div, when we are using the div, it's coming in a horizontally. This comes in a horizontally, and if you want to vertically, so you have to use a CSS. Okay, so you have to simple save this, and right click and go to open with live server. And as you can see this, this is comes your home and about the website. So you have to go to simple here and right click and inspect this, and you have to simple click this, and you can see this. This is comes your horizontally, whole line horizontally comes here. Okay, if you want to you are about the website in the first row, then you have to use a CSS and arrange this accordingly if you want to making this responsive. So for responsive you have to use a CSS. Okay, so these things we are see in a horizontally. Now suppose that we are using a CSS, then how we use this? So when we are using the CSS and making this responsive, then we have to simply use the div tag and enter, and here you take the class. You can take the ID. Okay, and like I'm taking here a paragraph. Okay, so we are taking the name of the class is the paragraph. So now here a paragraph is a p tag. Now we are take this some paragraph writing topic. You can take anything. So I'm copy this. Okay, and paste here. Okay, now save this. Now you have to simple go here. When you are go to here and see this page, you can, as you can see this is the whole paragraph is comes here, and this is the your different tag, div tag. So inside the paragraph, in paragraph section we are taking a class. So class name is a paragraph. So now we have to make this a responsive. So we have to use a CSS. So first of all I have to make a CSS file, style dot css. Okay, so first of all, you have to take a simple star and margin 0 and padding 0. Okay, for responsiveness, you have to making a margin and padding 0. So we make the responsive. Now here we are take the class name is the your paragraph. Okay, So when we are taking the class, so we have to simple take the dot for accessing the class. So we are take the dot and then class name paragraph, and you have to enter. Okay, now I want to add a color or background color or border something on a paragraph section. So I have to take a bg background color, red, black. Okay, by default it's black. You can change this, okay, accordingly, and you have to simple go to where you have to saving this. So here is not comes a background color. Why? I think we are doing somewhere mistake. So okay. So we are here not connected to a CSS file. So first of all, we have to connect this CSS file. So here you have to simple take a link, RAL style sheet HRL, and here you have to give the your file name. File name is the style. You have to simple select, put here dot slash and your file name which comes style CSS. Select this and save this. Now you have to see this, your uh, block which comes, your whole block. This is the whole db div tag. Okay, this is the block, and inside this is something written here. Okay, and but due to background color it's not showing, so we have to take some color, so we read properly. So take here a color name is something, color color is like red. Okay, save this, and as you can see this, now you can read the text. uh, okay, you can change color accordingly, and you can also use the border radius and background image, different things as your requirement. So when we are study CSS, then we are talk about this. So these things, so like this, we can use the div tag. So basically, it's a division tag, and it's using the when we are defining the block level element. Okay, so when we are developing website, must we use div tag, uh, because you are efficiently work on this and make the website responsive and easily debug this. So and also it's when you are using this, so code is clean code, and someone is working on your code, so easily debug this and understand these things. So that's why we are using the div tag in most of the almost every company. So this is the very important tag, and in coming videos we using more and more div tag and class and ID. And yeah, so if you are using the here ID, so you have to simple for accessing the ID you have to use here has. Okay, has, and then you access this the your ID of your HTML, whatever you are writing here. Okay. Okay, so I hope you like the video. If you like the video, like, share, and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video.